Today we have a video from Top Cop, and the title of the video is 25-year-old woman arrested for DUI.
Hello? Hi, Patrolman Blake Belmar, please have your license, registration, insurance.
Yeah.
Who's this in front of you? You don't know who they are?
No. But this is
Do you have your driver's license and your insurance? Do you know why I'm stopping you, though? At 17th and Ocean, you blew the stop sign and cut a car off coming across the road?
No.
Okay. How much have you had to drink tonight? One glass of wine. Where are you coming from?
About like an hour ago.
Oh, okay. I want to see your insurance card. All right. While you look for that, just sit tight. I'm just going to check your license, okay?
No.
Thank you. You have your insurance?
Yes. Look, listen. I really don't want to be like in no predicament. Like I was literally heading home.
Gotcha. Can you just do me a favor? Can you shut your car off?
Yeah.
For me and hand me the keys?
Yeah, of course. But I'm not gonna do that. That's like, why would I give you my keys?
I'm gonna ask you to step out. We're gonna run you through some tests to make sure that you're okay to drive.
That's fine, but I don't feel like that's right.
Okay, that we're past that. That doesn't matter.
Yeah.
You have to. Okay, I'll take that. You have to step out.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Yeah, just step around in the back of the vehicle.
Can I call my cousin?
Not right now. Step around in the back of the vehicle. Right over here.
What is your cousin gonna do? Everybody always want to call somebody. What's your cousin gonna do to get you out of this situation with these cops?
Hi, how are you?
Good. All right. Well, yeah, we'll have an opportunity to do all that later, but we're just gonna run you through some tests right now.
That's completely fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Yes. Yeah. So if you could just stand right there with your feet together. Okay. I'm just gonna do a test with your eyes. Do you have any issues with your eyes or anything like that? Any health problems?
I'm good.
So you see tip my pen right here?
Yes, 100%.
Okay. So you're gonna follow the tip of my pen and only the tip of my pen with just your eyes, not your head.
That's fine.
Okay. Understand?
Yeah, I'm completely fine.
All right. So just the tip of my pen.
I can't believe you're doing this. Okay.
All right.
I'm sorry. I'm just really upset.
Okay.
I'm just making me so upset.
I understand. So just.
Well, you shouldn't have been driving drunk. You said you didn't want to be in a predicament.
Just look at the tip of my pen right here, okay? All right, just your eyes, okay?
Yeah.
Just your eyes. Don't move your head at all, okay?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Just your eyes.
I'm just really upset. My head is like.
Okay. All right, but
so
just for this test, just to get it done, just your eyes, all right? Not your head.
That's really rude. I'm sorry. I'm just.
All right.
I was literally going home to my family.
All right, listen, but just to get this test done, you just got to follow my pen, okay?
Oh boy!
Just
don't start that crying.
I am very sorry.
Okay. Okay, so take a second.
I think this just has to do with in general, like. God, I think.
Okay, all right. Just for this test, I just have to be able to see your eyes, all right? We're just making your okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Just making sure you're okay.
Man, she doing everything in her power not to go to jail, man. Yo, listen. I get all the subtle things, man. The hair back, the crying, all of that. You're cooked. You're cooked. All of that, yeah, that could work with some people. But these cops, it's not gonna work. You could flip your hair all you want. You know what I'm saying? You could do that all you want, man. All you want, man. It's all the water works. These guys hold strong, fellas. Hold strong. Hold strong, fellas. Do not fold under pressure, man. Let's go, man. Pressure bust pipes, okay? But we gotta stand strong on this one, right? Let's go, man. Let's go. She talking about she flipping the hair, crying and all this shit. No. We standing strong on this one. We trying to keep these roads safe.
God, I think.
Okay, all right. Just for this test, I just have to be able to see your eyes, all right? We're just making your okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Just making sure you're okay to drive, okay?
Yeah, of course.
All right.
I know.
All right,
not for nothing, but just because that guy pulled up before me, and then I decided to pull over behind him doesn't make sense to me. I don't think that's right.
Okay, all right, but listen, we're just doing this test right now. Okay, that is it.
That's
I just need you to focus on the tip of the pen, but you keep moving your head as you're following the pen. You just got to move your eyes, okay? All right?
Okay, that's completely fine.
Listen.
Okay, you don't want me to move my head.
Don't
you
move
just
your head.
want my eyes.
Just follow with your eyes. Just follow with your eyes, okay? Don't move your head.
I'm sorry, that's like weird to me. I've never done that before.
All right, tip of the pen. Just your eyes. All right, this other officer's just going to run you through some tests, okay?
I'm just going to run you through a couple balance tests just to make sure.
Oh, it's his turn.
All right.
That's fine.
The starting position.
Stand strong.
Position now.
Okay, so you just want me to like walk?
No. So I'm going to put you, I'll explain again. I'm going to put you in the starting position. Don't move until I tell you to. I understand. So you can assume that position.
Okay. You just want me to walk?
Nope. So you're just going to stand like this until I tell you to move. And just stay just like that until I tell you to begin, okay?
Okay, yeah, I have freaking anemia. This is so cold.
Yeah, just
pay attention.
We'll get it done.
Okay.
No, I just want to go home.
Okay,
so that's fine.
You can begin the test.
You just want me to walk straight?
Put your hands down at your side, counting out loud.
Failed.
Nine steps.
9 steps back. Okay, they'll run you through one more test. It's going to be a one-leg stand test. You're going to lift your foot, point your toe outward, and you're going to count out loud. You may begin.
So you want me to do 1,000, 2,000, 3,000?
Just
count?
Yeah. No, well, you need him to explain it again?
I'll explain it one more time. You're going to have your...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay.
You got to listen to the...
Instructions.
Yes.
I'm really
Look at me.
trying.
So listen to him one more
Man,
time.
look at me. So you're going to stick your foot out approximately 6 inches off the ground. You're going to look down at your toe. And you're going to count out loud 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, so on and so forth until I tell you to
1,000,
stop.
2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000.
That one's pretty good though.
Okay. Just do me a favor. Just turn around. Turn around. You're under arrest. You're under arrest. There's your hands on your back.
Wait.
Stop. Just listen. Let him handcuff you. Okay. Relax.
Wait, I'm sorry. I have a freaking cop exam tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Wait, I'm sorry. Wait, why are you arresting me?
For driving under the influence, okay?
I'm not driving under those.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, so
Walk back to my car. Stop turning into me. Do you have anything on you?
absolutely not. Absolutely not. I'm not getting in that car because...
You have to, okay? You don't have a choice. You're under arrest. Have a seat in the car, please.
No, I'm not getting in that car.
You have to get in the car.
Why?
You're
Because
under arrest.
you're under arrest for driving under the influence. Okay?
I'm just not getting in the car.
You have to
because
get in the
I
car.
didn't-
Come on, you gotta get.
Look, my guy fighting for his life right now. Look at my guy right here. Look. He lowered the tone. Look. He lowered the tone. He looking deep into her eyes. Look at this. Look at my guy right here. My guy is fighting for his life, boy. Look at this shit.
Under arrest for driving under the influence. Okay?
I'm just not getting in the car.
You have to get in the car.
Come on, you gotta get in the car.
I'm sorry, but what in the test that we did just proves that I
That could all be explained later, but you are under arrest, okay?
I'm not going to go under the arrest.
You have to.
You don't
have a
have a
seat in the car.
choice.
I'm not going in this car without knowing
You failed
what
the
I
test.
did when I didn't fail no exams.
Miss.
I'm sorry.
Get into the car. We don't want to have to put you in the car.
I didn't fail no exams. So
Okay,
I don't
have a seat in the car.
He started getting serious. He said, I don't want to have to put you in the car. See, I want to continue to be nice to you. See, that's one of those moves right there. I want to continue to be nice to you. You know what I'm saying? Yo, that's how you gotta bag. Yo, boy, that's one of the coldest lines. Y'all probably didn't see that video, but that was some cold shit. That's a whole nother video. The cop told the lady, she started getting out of pocket. The cop told the lady, he said, I want to continue being nice to you. Oh, man. That was some cold shit.
To put you in the car.
I didn't fail my exam, so
Okay,
I don't.
have a seat in the car. Get in the
I'm
car.
not getting in this car without knowing what.
Miss, get in the car.
I'm
Have a seat in
sorry,
the car.
but it's scaring me because I don't know
Okay.
what I did.
Okay, have a seat in the car.
Respectfully, sir, I am driving home to my family and I didn't do anything. So why are you accusing me?
We're not. You are under arrest. You have to get into the car.
Have a seat in the car.
I didn't fail no exam. So
Okay.
why are you
Have a
doing
seat in the
this?
car.
I have a lot of things going on tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
Get in the car.
Oh my God, this is not fair because I'm literally trying to become one of you stupid people respectfully.
Okay,
but
well, have a seat in the car.
That's not fair.
If you want to have a chance of anything, listen to our instructions and have a seat in the car.
You
Have a seat
really
in the car.
are. Because you know what it is.
Have a seat in the car.
If you do this, it's not right.
Okay. Everything can be explained more and work out later, but you need to have a seat in the car.
Right. No, it cannot be explained.
Okay.
Later. You want to know why?
See, the female officers would have got her together already. You know what I'm saying? See, that's the big difference between guys and girls, the whole male and female dynamic. You know, with a female suspect, you know, that's relatively attractive. You know what I mean? Like, she's not ugly. Like, let's be honest here. You know, but the guys is a little bit more lenient. Obviously, they still have a job to do, but they will allow a little bit more. Where like the ladies, if this was two female cops, man, they would have already, man, get your ass up in the car. Yeah, they would have already got you together. You know what I'm saying? This is the difference. Yeah. And the same vice versa. You know what I'm saying? If it's a guy and a female cop, you know what I'm saying? And the male suspect is relatively attractive or whatever the case may be, the female cop may be a little, you know, she might let a little bit more slide, you know, especially, you know, but that's the dynamics, you know, because we're all human. But everybody still got a job to do, you know, but come on, they doing a little bit too much talking. At this point, it's time to get her together, man. Oops. Man, well, I'm clicking on shit.
Because you already know that once.
Have a seat in the car.
Get in the car.
I'm not getting in this car
have a seat in the
unless
car.
I have an explanation as to why you're doing that.
Have a seat in the
No,
car.
I need a reason. I'm not getting in this car unless I have a reason. I need a reason. I'm not getting in this car for no reason. Respectfully, you can't do that. You know, you legally you can't do that. You can't put.
Get into the car.
You know you can't do that, right?
All right.
All right, you can step out. Just watch your head, okay? All right. Have a seat on the bench right in this room, okay? You sit right here on the bench.
Yeah. You know, she started off pretty decent, but you know, when you don't get your way, it is what it is, man. You got caught out there. You tried driving drunk. You got caught out there, man. It is what it is. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.